Hello students, in this video we will solve this problem. Square root of 1 plus cos divided by 1 minus cos is equal to cosecant plus cot. Okay, we need to prove that this is equal to cosecant plus cot. Now observe this carefully. We can write it as 1 plus cos theta. Square root is for numerator, square root is for the denominator. So we are writing it separately like this. Square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by square root of 1 minus cos theta. We need to rationalize this. What is the rationalizing factor of this? Root 1 plus cos theta. We are rationalizing the denominator. So this will be 1 plus cos theta. And here also 1 plus cos theta. Multiply, divide by the same term, because if you cancel this, we'll have the same thing again, right? Okay, this is root 1 plus cos theta, root 1 plus cos theta. This will be equal to 1 plus cos theta. Okay, it is like this. See, root 2 multiplied by root 2 will be equal to 2. Alright, or you can write this as 1 plus cos theta is 2 times, so 1 plus cos theta whole square, root and square will get cancelled, right? So it will give us 1 plus cos theta. Alright, so we have that. What about the denominator? See, this is root 1 minus cos, root 1 plus cos. Okay, so 1 minus cos multiplied by 1 plus cos is there in the denominator. This is whole root. Okay, we can multiply roots like this, right? 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos. This is like a minus b multiplied by a plus b. A value is 1, b value is cos theta. So this will be a square minus b square, right? So this will be under root. Don't forget the root value. This will be 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, so this is root of 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, I hope you understood this. Alright, now this 1 square, I'll write it as 1. 1 square is 1, so 1 minus cos square theta. Now if you observe carefully, what do we need? We need cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, so we need cosecant. Cosecant is 1 by sine. That means in the denominator we need sine here. But we have cos square. So can we write 1 minus cos square in terms of sine? Yes. See, we have an identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you send cos square on the other side, sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So here we have 1 minus cos square theta. So if you substitute sine square theta in place of this 1 minus cos square theta, see here, this is 1 plus cos theta divided by under root of this 1 minus cos square theta will become sine square theta. This will become sine square theta. Okay, square and root will get cancelled, right? This is sine whole square. Okay, whole square. So square and root will get cancelled. So we have 1 plus cos divided by sine theta. We will get the answer now. See, 1 plus cos divided by sine, we can write it as 1 divided by sine theta plus cos divided by sine theta separately like this. What is 1 by sine? 1 by sine is equal to cosecant plus cos by sine, it is equal to cot theta. So we got RHS, cosecant theta plus cot theta. Alright. So see what we did here. We rationalize the denominator. So rationalizing factor of the denominator is 1 plus cos theta inside the root. Okay. So we multiplied and divide this given question with 1 plus cos theta under root. So 1 plus cos will become whole square. So root 1 plus cos, root 1 plus cos is 1 plus cos. And this is of the form a minus b, a plus b. So we wrote it as a square minus b square inside the root. A square, 1 square is 1. So we wrote it as 1 we use this identity, and in place of 1 minus cos square theta we wrote sin square theta or sin theta whole square. Square and root got cancelled, 1 plus cos by sin, so we separated sin. 1 by sin is cosecant, cos by sin is cot. Alright, I hope you understood this problem. See you in the next video.